on my Facebook lead ads form, which I'm going to fill. So right here, I have provided all the details of my lead, having the email address, first name, last name, phone number, and the city. Now let's submit this form and see the magic further. So here I'm going to click over this continue and submit button for submitting my Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. And now let's move on towards my Airtable account, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving my leads data, having the name, phone number, email, and the city, which I have just filled over my Facebook leaders form. So you can see that as soon as I have filled the form, the data is automatically added to my Airtable account as a new record. So you can see that I have not done anything manually. I have just filled the form and the data is automatically added to my Airtable account. So it is doing so because I have already built in an automation using an amazing automation tool called as Pabbly Connect, which can integrate varieties of application. So right here in this automation, I have integrated my Facebook lead ads with the Airtable, by using which I'm capturing my leads automatically and saving the data over my Airtable. So you can also create this automation so that you don't have to do anything manually. Now you don't have to check for the leads again and again over your Facebook ads, and you don't have to download those leads and create records for them, because this automation is going to do so. So now let me show you how to use this automation tool called as Pabbly Connect and create this automation. And no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating it. So let's move on towards the workflow page and create this automation. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards my workflow page, where we are going to create this automation. So right here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I want to initiate this workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Facebook lead ads. Now let's select the app event as new lead instant and click over this connect button. And right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection you have to just click over this button, that is connect with Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to just select this button, and right here I'm going to select the Facebook account. So here I'm going to just click over this continue button, and again I'm going to click over this continue button. So I have already logged in my Facebook account, that's why I can build the connection so easily. So make sure to log in it. And here on my Facebook account, I have created this page named as the Magic Makers, which I'm going to use. So now let's select this page from this top down. And right here, we have to select the form through which I want to receive my new leads. So right here, I'm going to select this form called as new leads, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. But if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this page, then you can even select all leads and forms also. Now let me select new leads, and right here I'm going to select my response format as simple, so that we can get the response in simple format. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and right here it is waiting for the webhook response. Now let's fill our Facebook lead ads form and provide the webhook response to the Pabbly Connect. So for that, you have to move towards the Meta for Developers page, which you can get by typing this URL, that is developers.facebook.com. And here on the resources, we are getting this option for developer tools, which you have to select. And you will be landed to this page where you just have to click over this lead ads RU debug tool. And you will be landed to the lead ad testing tool page, where again we have to select the page that is the magic makers, and right here I'm going to select the same form which I have just selected over my Pabbly Connect, and right here I have to delete my previous lead because I can create only one lead per form as I'm working on the test mode. And here you can see that my lead has been deleted. Now we just have to click over this preview form button, and here I'm getting this form which I'm going to fill. So right here I have filled this form providing the email address, first name, last name, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form. And here it is submitted successfully. Now this data might be captured by Pabbly Connect as we have just built in the connection. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, where you can see that 2 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled over our Facebook lead ads form. So this shows that we have successfully got the webhook response. And now as soon as someone will submit the Facebook lead ads form, the response will be captured by Pabbly Connect. So now you don't have to manually check for the leads again and again. And now I'm going to add this lead to my Airtable account. So here I'm going to search for the Airtable. So now let me search for it, and right here we are getting this application. Now let's select the app event as create record and click over this connect button. And now for building the new connection, you just have to click over this button that is connect with Airtable. And right here I'm going to allow the access, so I'm going to just click over this grant access, and here you can see that the connection has been built in, and now it is asking me to select the base. So right here I'm going to select the base called as leads, where I'm going to add the details of my newly received lead, and right here we are getting this base which I have selected. And now we are getting all these fields which we have to fill. So here you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the name of my lead like this. But no, here I'm not going to do so, because Pabbly Connect provides us a method called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and the slash symbol. And right here we are getting our previous application. So from here I'm going to map the first name of the lead, provide the space, and I'm going to map the last name of my lead. Now likewise I'm going to map the phone number. So here I have mapped it. Now let's map the email and the city likewise. And here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these will be replaced as the new form submission will be received over your Facebook lead ads. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and this data will be sent to the Airtable. So right here I'm on my Airtable account, and I'm on this base named as leads, where you can see that we are successfully receiving all the details of my lead, having the name test lead, phone number, email and the city, which I have just filled over my Facebook lead ads form. So now you can see that I have successfully built in this automation, by using which we are adding our Facebook leads to the Airtable as a new record of the data. So you can also create the records of your Facebook lead ads by using this automation tool called as Pabbly Connect, which will help you to automate your entire task. And now you don't have to do anything manually, because this automation is going to perform all your tasks. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.